again, guys. I want to share with you my trade that I started on Sunday. This is June, so I believe it's Sunday the 10th, the 6/10 of June 2022. Hey, the bell just rung. Market is live. I want to share with you how I traded this futures contract, micro ethers contract. So as you can see here, we know that everything is going down, right? We're in a recession, inflation extremely high, the VIX is high, everything is high. So I'm putting puts on my options. I'm looking at going short in a lot of my plays. So as you can see here in Ether, I put a lot of shorts. Put a lot of shorts here based upon my candle reading, identification of the candles. I got as much as about 60 shares, as you can see. And what happened? I was able to bank. Started up here, down here. I was able to collect, made about $1,500 profit. I saw another opportunity. I started evaluating and analyzing my charts. I put my support and resistance levels. So my resistance levels here. Support. I got in again. I went in 70 contracts and I added my position. I saw two bearish candlesticks that really helped me to appreciate that, to keep my position and to add, and that is the shooting star. As you can see here, shooting star. If you don't know what a shooting star is, you can look at my other content. I'm going to put shooting out there for you guys. It's going to share with you how to understand candles. You have to know your candles. Japanese candlesticks is very, very important because they tell you, they give you an indication where price is going to go. And as you can see here, where did price go? Down, extremely down. Broke the level of support and it flushed down, and I'm in profit. So I'm still managing this trade right now, making money on it. If you like to learn, you like to know more, subscribe to the channel. I'll share more information like this with you. These are things that can happen for you on a weekly basis. Right now, the market is extremely, bearish. Things are going down. People are fearful. However, where there's fear, there's opportunity. All right, don't forget that. All right, I hope this video was educational for you. It give you some insight of how you can make money even in a bearish market. And please subscribe to the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Learn more information, more great content coming out for you.